Welcome to this lesson on paper wallets, a method for storing your cryptocurrency private keys offline. In this video, we'll explore how paper wallets work, their advantages, potential risks, and when they might be the right choice for storing your digital assets. A paper wallet is a physical document that contains your cryptocurrency public address and private key. These are typically printed as both QR codes and text for easy access. Think of it as a form of cold storage, which means your keys are kept completely offline and disconnected from the internet. This offline nature is what makes paper wallets attractive for security-conscious users. Every paper wallet contains two essential components. First, the public address, which is like your account number. You can safely share this with anyone who wants to send you cryptocurrency. Second, the private key, which is like your password. This must be kept absolutely secret because anyone with access to your private key can spend all the funds in that wallet. Never share your private key with anyone. Creating a paper wallet involves four main steps. First, use an offline paper wallet generator on a secure device that's disconnected from the internet. Second, generate a new key pair using strong randomness to ensure uniqueness. Third, print both the public address and private key along with their QR codes for convenient scanning. Finally, store the physical document in a secure location, treating it like cash or important documents. Remember, the security of your funds depends on keeping this paper safe. Paper wallets offer several security advantages. They're completely offline, making them immune to online hacking attempts and malware attacks. There's no third party involved, giving you full control over your funds without relying on exchanges or online services. They're also cost-effective, requiring only paper and ink with no hardware expenses. Finally, the concept is simple and easy to understand, making paper wallets accessible even for beginners in cryptocurrency. Despite their advantages, paper wallets come with significant risks. Physical damage from fire, water, or simple deterioration over time can destroy your wallet. There's also exposure risk. Anyone who sees your private key, even accidentally, can steal your funds. Printer security is another concern, as printer memory might store your sensitive key data. Most critically, paper wallets represent a single point of failure. If you lose the paper, you lose access to your funds permanently with no way to recover them. Paper wallets are best suited for specific use cases. They're popular for gifting cryptocurrency, providing a physical way to give digital assets to friends or family. They work well for long-term storage when you plan to hold assets for extended periods without needing access. Some users also employ paper wallets as a backup solution, creating a secondary backup for keys stored in hardware wallets. However, they're not suitable for frequent transactions or active trading. If you decide to use paper wallets, follow these best practices. Always generate keys offline on a clean, air-gapped computer to prevent internet-based attacks. Create multiple copies and store them in different secure locations to protect against physical loss. Use tamper-evident seals or lamination to protect against physical damage and unauthorized access. Test the wallet with small amounts before storing large sums to ensure everything works correctly. Finally, never share photos of your paper wallet or expose the private keys to cameras, as this could compromise your security. While paper wallets served an important role in cryptocurrency history, modern alternatives have emerged that address many of their limitations. Hardware wallets offer similar offline security with added convenience, multiple backup options, and better protection against physical damage. Metal seed backups provide durable cold storage that can resist fire and water while maintaining the offline security benefits. These alternatives are generally recommended for most users today, though paper wallets can still serve specific purposes when used correctly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.